Fear is something that gets in the way of a lot of traders being successful and can really hurt your profits. Today, we're going to talk about things you can do to remove that fear from your trading and keep more of what you deserve.
So again, the difference between a high and tight flag and a regular flag is the high and tight flags are ones that go completely horizontal like that versus a regular flag or this could be slanted as well. And the flagpole doesn't matter as much, but the flag, what is the flag part called? The flag? The flagpole and the flag? Yeah, I guess the flag, this would be completely horizontal in the high and tight. In a traditional flag, it would be more like a retracement. It's like a downward channel. Yep, so this can certainly be a high and tight. Now here's the question. The fact that this is a high and tight flag, does this scare you away from the potential 2618? Now, it would have no effect on the double top because the double top would have occurred before it. So if you entered at the double top, you'd already be in. So it wouldn't even. It was the double top that transformed into a high and tight flag. But would it scare you? Lynn says yes. Why? Alex says absolutely, but why? Gus is looking for a 2618, right? So if we're looking for a 2618, Gus needs a violation of this level first. So here's the question. If price violates this level, is there still validity in the high and tight flag? No. So should we be afraid of it? Or why we'll be afraid of it? See? So yes, we can give it power here, but once it violates, then this is violated, and then there should be no fear in taking the potential 2618. Because once again, it all comes down to once this lower level is violated, that changes the game. Identify, predict, right? Hitting you over the head with this technical hammer. But that's how we knock the fear out of our system, right? That's how we knock the fear out of our system. Because believe it or not, with trading, we're going to be in these situations where a lot of our mistakes come from FOMO, right? Fear of missing out, and fear of missing out or fear of getting in. Where fear of missing out is like we rush into something too quickly because we don't want to miss it, or everyone else is talking about getting it and we haven't got it yet, and blah 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 blah. Fear of I don't know what it would be called. Fear of foam, fear of entry. Fear of entry is caused by the other ideas, where it's like sometimes it's confusion, where it's like, are we bullish? Are we bearish? We're above a moving average. I don't even use moving averages, but it's there. So it's like, should I do this, right? Or fears, oh man, that looks like a head and shoulders. And if that's a head and shoulders, then I know that head and shoulders is supposed to break to the downside, but I'm supposed to be entering to the upside. But do I really want to enter to the downside if my price action is saying, or do I really want to enter to the upside if price action is saying enter to the downside, right? I don't know if you guys have ever been there, but there's like 80 million, right? You ever see like the conscious things where there's like an angel and a devil on your shoulder? Trading is like that, but there's like 500 of these things. It's like minions out there. Right? A whole bunch of minions just floating there, and they're all like talking at the same time and sharing ideas. Like that is what goes through a trader's mind. The way to defeat that is with clarity, facts, rules. So as soon as we have that rule, boom, lower low, lower close equals this. Now we can eliminate all those thoughts, all those high and tight flag minions. Boom, poof, they're gone. They're all eliminated. And now we got some more minions to fight off. Okay, how do I get involved? Breakout trade, wait for the pullback, right? We have all these other ideas. Okay, how can we short? But then we go to our trading plan. Okay, my rules, Gus says, my rules for 2618 trade is wait for a pullback to the 618. And then, by the breakout, go down, poof, they're all gone, right? With rules, we keep eliminating all these other voices that don't have any business being in our head. I'm not crazy, guys. A little bit. I did trade for a long time without being successful, which I guess you can classify as right. Insanity is doing the same thing and expecting a different result. That was me for like 2 years. So maybe I am crazy. maybe if I buy it this time, right before non-farms, I'll make, damn it, lost money. Next, 1 month later, maybe if I buy it this time, right before non-farm, damn it, lost money again. 1 month later. Maybe if I buy it right before non-farms, right? A stupid Akil, right? But rules and clarity, general technical rules, and then more specific trading rules. That's what's going to eliminate all these weird little voices from our head, and that's going to allow us to see what we need to see and take what we need to take in the market. And again, when you can do consistent analysis and you compare that with consistent execution, that's when you get consistent results. And if you've done your work the right way and you're trading something with a positive expectancy, you'll be a profitable trader.